there, guys. I am coming at you with another video, and as you can see, I have some items that I ordered and I got in, and I just want to share them with you guys. First of all, I have this Makartt nail dust collector that I got in, and this is just the box that it comes in. I've already taken the dust collector out, and I have used it, and it works wonderful. I mean, it works wonderful. This is the third dust collector that I've tried, and this is the only one that actually works. I ordered one years ago from, I think, eBay, and that one didn't really work well. And then I ordered one from AliExpress, and that one was a failure, and this one works well. But I do want to say this, that a lot of times I think that we expect these to have the suction like a vacuum cleaner, and they do not have the strong suction like a vacuum cleaner have. They are not going to be like a vacuum cleaner, but they should collect most of the dust. You're still going to have some dust, and but it eliminates a lot of the dust that you could have on your, going up in the air and on your hands and everything. So I find that this really does work. And I ordered it from the Makartt website. And if you guys will go over to Makartt, they have Afterpay, and you can use my discount code and you will get 15% off of your order. And I'll put my discount code will be up here somewhere. It'll be up there somewhere, probably over there. I'll use my discount code right over there. And so go to Makartt and get you a nail dust collector and put it on Afterpay. You don't have to pay it all at once. And so now, here is the dust collector itself. Here is the power cord, and it has the Makartt label on the front. This is what it looks like underneath. I've tried it, and it has a filter that comes out from it. And you can, I think you can order replacement filters from Makartt. And here is the control. It's off. That's where you put in your power cord. And here's the control, and it's off, and you turn it on. And as you know, I don't have it. Well, let me see. I'll plug it in. Hold on. Let me plug it in. I'm sorry about the fire detector. Please excuse it. But that's off. And here it is. It's low. And it goes higher and higher. And that's the highest it is. You can hear it. And you turn it down. Okay. And it, like I said, it works very well, guys. So go over to the Makartt website, use my discount code, and get you one. This is the best one that I found. All right. An order that I got in from Modelones. I ordered this from the Modelones website. And this is the Galaxy acrylic powder kit. And if you see on the box, we communicate the world with colors. Okay. And it comes with some goodies we'll go over these in a few minutes. It also comes with an size 12 acrylic brush, and I can't wait to try this because you know I'm a brush fanatic, so I'm always looking for new acrylic brushes. In fact, I placed an order for 2 more acrylic brushes from other companies. So I can't wait to try this out and see how it works. And some nail forms. I have a few of those. And let's see what we have in here. Okay, we have the Modelones acrylic, slow setting acrylic liquid monomer. And we have acrylic powders. Okay. All right, we have number 17. And this is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at there. This one is number 19. And this is this one. It's got a little shimmer to it. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but it does. Beautiful. This one is number 25. And I've taken the thing out of this one. And this one is absolutely beautiful. Look at there. This one is number 24. Look at there. Oh my goodness, that's gorgeous. I cannot wait to make a set of nails with, do a set of nails with these. And this one is number 21. Beautiful, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Now, let's see. We have the little goodie bag. We have the Modelones nail file. 100, 180 grit. We have the toe separators. And we also have the acetone wipes. They're either acetone or alcohol wipes. And we also have little cuticle remover. I don't have one like this. I'm glad I got that. And we have the little orange wood stick in the bag. So that's what comes in that kit, guys. And I can hardly wait to be able to use these. So guys, that is all for this video. And I'll be having some more videos coming up pretty soon for you all to see very soon. All right, I hope you enjoyed this haul. And I will say this about Modelones. if I can help it, I don't think that I will be ordering from their website again, unless it's absolutely something that I cannot get on Amazon, because it takes so long. I think it took like 2.5 weeks for me to get this from Modelones. So these, I mean, because this, they only sell this kit on their website. But I want to, I'll probably, anything else that I see, I'll probably order it from the Amazon website if I can help it, because it takes so long, and you can get what you get from Amazon in a couple of days. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this little haul, and don't forget guys, go on over to Makartt, and they have really quick shipping. Their shipping is really, their turnaround time on their shipping is really nice. It's not long at all. And like I said, they do offer Afterpay. So go ahead over to Makartt, use my discount code, get 15% off your order. Guys, go ahead and get 15% off. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Okay. Love you guys. Bye-bye.